sort of looking. Yeah, just turn your body again to me like this. Yes, there. Good. Alright, keep that. No. We just want to get a shot where he is. I think she can be somewhere there in the. Well, let's see how it looks with the track. Let's see.
I really like the track. It also helps us merge it together with especially for me.
Yeah, right there. And then see, just where you are right there, just after the other side. Don't push in. Yeah, then you look. Look at the other side. Yeah, right there. Right there. Yeah. No.
Agreed, bro. What's your phone doing here?
What do you mean, bro? You betrayed me by taking out your phone. You got into
I did a drone.
Oh, the drone.
Yeah. Okay, just stop right there.
This one is dead. Because,
yeah. Just match the indoor light. Action. Okay,
right.
cut. You.
yeah.
I will just follow all of you. You can still be in front.
Just take
you can
them to
still
the
lead them. Okay, action. Yeah.
What?
Oh.
He's going in the water.
So what are you doing with you?
I am live with him.
So how are you? Okay.
Yeah. Somewhere there. Next room. Okay. This one. Hello. I'm thinking we start with the B-roll without anybody in, just to show it.
What? To avoid that space there, I guess. Camera is tired of the desert.
So is it good lighting for you?
See.
Just show.
You guys can start? Yeah, you can start. Whatever you guys do to...
Just fake it, man. Don't make
Sorry.
it
Not
real.
real.
Just fake it.
Sorry.
Don't give an actual one. So is it good lighting for you? Huh?
See.
Who you are? Let me have the hands. The hands, like in the center there. Yeah, there. Alright, then look at each other there. One more. 3, 2. Bro, where's the mic? Oh.
The car is ready.
shit is heavy. This shit is heavy, yo. This shit is heavy, man.
Hello. What's with you, man?
Hey,
Good,
hey,
it's
hey,
good.
hey, hey. Hurt my knee. You know when you hit that spot on the it hurts so much. But it's a nice pain. It's like a.
Where's the?
It's like
It
has that again. Like let me explain.
Dame que.
Because that thing it just puts in sand evenly. The phone is dry because this wind. Because this wind is crazy. It's crazy.
I don't think I'm gonna go up.
Ah.
I'll just keep it right there.
Oh, it's fine. You can warm up.
Yeah.
Like this one.
Like
this.
Yeah. This one I lift it up like
this.
Grab it.
You hold under the butt. Like.
You hold the butt, not under.
Nah, bro. You hold the butt. If you hold the butt. Oh, sorry. Shit.
Oh my goodness. I got my shirt already. Yes. Okay.
To the view. Yeah, right there. What are you saying? Let me put on a fashion show for you. I got the glasses. Yeah, glasses are from, I don't know if you guys know the shop just next to the ATMs here by Chinatown. Yeah.
Okay.
These shoes also.
Alright.
From the Chinese.
3,
this lady.
2,
Shunshine.
just
Shunshine.
anything.
Shunshine is the one that sold me the shoes.
3,
So yeah, man.
2,
grab yourself some.
1, action.
And get your shoe shine by Shoe Shine. Yeah. Cheers to life.
Bruh, is that camera recording or what?
Yeah, set it up.
What are we talking
Cheers
about?
to
What are we talking about?
Cheers to. Cheers. Yeah, man. Cheers to the productive day. Productive day. The night is about to be productive as well.
Yeah, man.
Tomorrow is 5.
Huh?
Tomorrow is 5 in the morning.
Yo.
If you wanna use it, you go get it. If you don't wanna use it, then it's okay.
Yo, is that mic recording? I mean, is that camera recording?
Yeah, it is recording. We are used to building and
All right, thank you.
tomorrow is back to reality.
From your bosses. Eh? No, she's. I'll hire her. Yeah. You're not supposed to.
No, I mean like
Bye. Let me check my
Hey.
sunset, daddy. Bruh. Aditi.
Hey man, like that drone shot.
Stuff.
Man.
I am man, chill.
They must say.
Chill, bro.
É
Muito longa. Come on. Hey. Vai feeling? Hi.
The red one is the wild one.
No, the brown one is the one with gums.
Yeah, for real.
I'm not poking your fat.
Hey, grapes will do. What is this?